we have to find the value of 21C1 minus 10C1 plus 21C2 minus 10C2 plus 21C3 minus 10C3, etc., up to 21C10 minus 10C10. Right. This is a problem based on properties of binomial coefficients. Right. And we know our basic property of binomial coefficient. What is it? 1 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 plus up to NCn is equal to 2 power n. Or NC1 plus NC2 plus up to NC1 is equal to 2 power n minus 1. And how do we get this? We get this. So, for example, what is n plus x whole power n? 1 plus x whole power n is NC0. Right? NC0 1 power n x power 0 plus NC1 1 power n minus 1, that is still 1, and x power 1 plus NC2 1 power n minus 2, that is anyway 1. So x square plus NC3 x cube plus up to NCn x power n. Right. 1 powers I am directly ignoring. Right. Basically this is equal to 1 plus NC1 x plus NC2 x square plus NC3 x cube, etc. Now, if you put x equals to 1, what will be the left hand side? Left hand side will be 1 plus 1, 2 power n. Right, 1 plus 1 is 2 power n should be equal to 1 plus, again, all x square, x cube, these all will become 1s. So, 1 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 up to NCn. What does that mean? NC1 plus NC2 up to NCn should be equal to this 2 power n minus this 1. Right. This is how we got this relation, right? NC1 plus NC2 plus up to NCn should be equal to 2 power n minus 1, or 1 plus NC1 up to NCn should be equal to 2 power n. Right. Now we have 21C1, 21C2 up to 21C10. Right. Now we can see 21C1 is nothing but NCR is NCn minus 1. So that is 21C20. Right. So 21C1 is 21C20. 21C2 is 21C19. Similarly, up to 21C10, this is the last time, should be equal to 21C11. Right. So now let's collect all these 21C's separately and 10C's separately. Right. Then we'll get with 21C1 up to 21C10 minus of 10C1 up to 10C10. Right. This is nothing but NC1 to NCn, NC1 to NCn, right? NC1 to NCn, which is nothing but 2 power n minus 1. So this will be 2 power 10 minus 1, this part. This part is 2 power 10 minus 1, fantastic. Now, this part, 21C1 to 21C10. So what we will do, we'll try to attach this 21C11 to 21C20 to this. Right, and we are not losing anything. What do we do? Because this one is equal to this one is equal to this one. So basically, if we add plus one more 21C20, 21C19, similarly 21C11, this becomes double of this. So half of 21C1 to 21C20 plus this entire thing, from 10 to 20. So basically, if you can write this as 21C1 to 21C10 as half of 21C1 to 21C20, because this should be equal to this should be equal to this should be equal to this. Right, 10 times. Basically, we are multiplying, we are adding the same terms to this, but in a different form. But in a different form. Right. So now this becomes half of 21C1 to 21C20. Right. So this is in this form. Right. 1 plus this is NC1 2, not NCn. It is one short. NCn minus 1. Right. NC1 2, NC1, NC2 plus up to NCn minus 1. Right. NC1 is anyway 1. Right. So here basically in this expression we are removing this 1 and we are removing this NCN. So both are ones, right? So basically NC1 to NCN minus 1, 21C1 to 21C, 21 minus 1, 21C20. That should be equal to 2 power n minus this one and this another one, 2 power n minus 2. That is 2 power 21 minus 2, half of this thing. Half of 2 power 21 minus 2 minus this 2 power 10 minus 1 is anyway there. So this becomes, if you take this 2 inside, this becomes 2 power 20 21 by 2, right? 21 minus 1, this is 20, 2 power 20 minus 2 by 2, which is 1. So this becomes 2 power 20 minus 1 minus half 2 power 10 minus 1. This minus 1 and this 1 will get cancelled. We'll be left with 2 power 20 minus 2 power 10. So only little trick here is this express these 10 terms 21C1 to 21C10 as sum of 20 terms. What are those 20 terms? The same terms plus again 21C11 to 21C uh, 21C11 to 21C20. So this because 21C10 is equal to 21C11, then the previous term will be equal to 21C12. Likewise up to here. So this will be equal to 21C20. Right, all these terms are equal. So half of this 10 plus the remaining 10. So total 20 terms we can write. But the sum of these 20 terms is nothing but 2 power n minus 2. Right, these 20 terms are, so total 2 power 20, this 1 plus x whole power 21 will have 22 terms. Now we have 20 terms. The remaining two terms are 1 and 1 each. So this becomes 2 power n or 2 power 21 minus 2. Right. Instead of 22 terms, we are taking only 20 terms, excluding both the ones, the beginning one and the final one. So this becomes 2 power 21 minus 2. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.